Hi, Manatee. Last week, I read to you one of the first books on our Sunshine State Junior list. It was called Can I Be Your Dog? And we're very lucky. There is another book out by the same author, Troy Cummings, that is the sequel. And I want to read to you the front, what the cover said. It said, um, Arfie pays it forward. Lucky for Arfie, he has a home. We discovered that. But Scamper does not. Arvie just has to find a forever home for this cute little stray kitten. A quiet home full of laps, gentle pats, and yarn balls. And bow, wow, wow. He thinks he knows just the place. This is New York Times best-selling author Troy Cummings. He does it again. Here's another warm and funny story that's perfect for cat lovers, dog lovers, and anyone with a heart. I hope you enjoy. I found a kitty. Remember we read Can I Be Your Dog? And here's a, his next book in the series. I found a kitty. Remember the parts of the book we talked about last week? The front cover, the part that holds the book together, keeps it safe. It's called the spine. That's also where you can find the, the title page written on the spine. Before the title page, there's some extra pages that I'm going to read to you.
Dear Diary, woof! Today I played outside. It was Tuesday, so I dug up a stick and barked at a bird, but then I smelled something new. I followed the smell across two backyards and down to a drain pipe. The smell wasn't a treat, or a tennis ball, or an old boot. It was a friend. He needed a home, so I got to work.
Here's the title page. I found a kitty. I like how Arfie has already kind of given us some information about what the story's going to be about. Finding a home for his new friend. And again, I am going to use my voices because I think that makes stories more fun to listen to.
Dear music teacher, I found a kitty. Can you help him? His name is Scamper. I really want to help him, but my person is allergic to cats. Scamper likes to eat, play, and poop in a box. He likes to sing. I know he would make beautiful music with your students. Your neighbor, Arfie.
I love the way that Troy Cummings wrote this story again with all the letters, just like the last one. Kind of clever if you ask me. Whoa, let's see if I can get in there. Dear Arfie, Scamper is a wonderful kitten. His tail twitches to the beat, but his high notes are simply too much. I'm sorry. I was hoping for more harmony in my household, but with Scamper here, I can't hardly find a single measure of rest. Best wishes in your search, Maestro Mitch. Look at Scamper. Yo! Another letter from Arfie.
Dear cute little neighbor babies. I found a kitty. He's a lot like you. He takes naps, eats every 2 hours, and likes to crawl under the couch on his tummy. Can you help him? Sincerely, Arfie.
What do you think? Oh, they are babies. Do you think babies would be a good home for Scamper? Dear Arfie, we wanted to have a little itty bitty kitty since the day we were born. We snuggled with him in the morning, nuzzled with him in the afternoon, teased him like a teddy bear at night. But then a funny thing happened. He squirmed out of our arms and ran out the door. Guess we'll have to go back to snuggling our fuzzy wuzzy sheep blankie. Benny, Bonnie, and Boo. Do you think Scamper would like to live here? I don't think so. Here's Arfie again.
Dear nice mechanic, can you help my kitty? I saw a mouse in your garage one time, and we all know cats are great at chasing mice. I'll bet Scamper would pounce on the chance to help you out. Your pal, Arfie.
That might be a good place for Scamper to live. Okay, I know. Dear Arfie, you're right. My garage has a huge mouse problem. Those little squeakers are bumper to bumper in here. I was all revved up to give Scamper a chance, but he didn't eat a single mouse. He just played with them. Sorry to throw a wrench in your plans, but I need a mouser who's willing to sink his teeth into his work. Emily Lugnut, mechanic. That's too bad. But they are having fun. Another letter from Arfie.
To the people in the fancy building with red carpet out front, can you help my kitty? Scamper's fur is shiny and his eyes are sparkly like the stars on your sidewalk. Woof. All due respect, Arfie.
Ooh, a telegram. Hmm. Arfie. To Arfie from Melissa Glitz, talent agent. Arfie, baby, I've been on the prowl for someone like Scamper from the moment he entered my studio. I knew he'd be a superstar. All I had to do was style his fur and polish his teeth and do something about those claws. But then, right after his photo shoot, Scamper gagged and twitched and hacked up a 2-pound hairball right into my designer handbag. So sorry, darling, but our little glamourpuss would be more at home on a living room rug than on the red carpet. Hugs and kisses, Missy. Yeah, Scamper does look a little scared there. Another letter from Arfie.
Dear cat lover guy, I was sniffing around your bushes and I noticed something about your house. You have cat curtains and a cat clock, wallpaper, sofa, toilet seat, a whole bunch of tiny shiny cat statues. But you don't have an actual cat. Can you help my kitty? I think Scamper would fit right in. Hopefully. Oh, I do see. Mailbox. I think there's a lot of resemblances to a cat on this house. That might be a great place for Scampy. For Scamper. I'm sorry. Uh-oh. I don't see a smile on his face. Arfie. Spent my whole life collecting kitty cat knickknacks. Scamper's just what I was missing. Our first morning together was dreamy. I fed him, brushed him, I tucked him into his kitty bed. We both purred with delight. But then he started to play. That frisky kitten knocked over my entire collection of ceramic cats, my figurines, and my heart was shattered. Oh, I'm sorry, but Scamper is too playful to be part of my collection. Herbert Delgado. Arfie and Scamper are talking. Arfie says, "Ow!" What is Scamper? Oh, Scamper wrote a letter. Arfie, don't be sad. You're a good dog. Good doggy. Trying to find me a home. I sang, I cuddled, I played, I got brushed. But now, do I put none of those people were right for me. I need a home where I can do all of those things. But where could be such a place? Scamper. Hmm. Oh, look, there's a map. You are here, and this is the community. And here's another house that they haven't tried yet. And it says Butternut Nursing Home. Hmm. Have you ever driven by a nursing home before?
The nursing home is where my grandma used to live. And she lived there with a bunch of other people that were her same age. And they got help to be safe. A letter from Arfie.
Dear Butternut Nursing Home, can you help my kitty? He loves music, he loves to play, he loves to take naps in a lap in a sunny room, and he loves making people happy. In fact, I think he could help you. I hope you agree your home would be perfect for him. With love, Arfie. P.S. Mew. That's from Scamper.
You think? Look at all those friends. Do they look like Scamper could make them happy? Oh my goodness, that looks like my Nana. Yeah, look at that. All the people are doing all the fun things that Scamper loves to do. Oh, that looks like a good fit for Scamper. There we go. There they all are. What a great ending. I'm so glad that Arfie found a home for Kitty, just like he found a home for him. I hope you enjoyed our stories. Remember, we're going to be reading the Sunshine Junior books this year. This is the first one. And I always love when there's another book written by the same author. These are great books, and time to go back to school. Get back to your classroom. Hope you enjoyed the story.